So I'm going to show you how to do a simple TikTok in different clips at different times. So we press at the bottom, black square with a white cross, we give that a press. Swing it round to me, just for now. And I'm going to do 3 separate clips, and 2 of them we'll do at the same time. One will have a scenario where there may have been a passing of time of say 10 minutes. So how you can carry on making a video. So effectively what you're doing is you're editing the video as you go. You're not having to start messing around to edit it. So we're on TikTok. At top right, can you see the circle just there? Well, the round arrows. I'm going to swing that round so it's the other camera. I'm going to film our first thing, which is a bus. So here we go. This is the first video clip. So here goes. I'm going to press the record button. This is the bus. Press stop. Now let's say I want to do another clip. So a car. I press the button again. This is the car. I've pressed stop. Now let's say we don't want to film anything for a while now. So what I'm going to do is up here, I'm going to press this back button. I'm going to click Save Draft. So that saves my video. And as you can see, it's in the top left where it says drafts. So say I've closed my phone, I've left it a while. It could be weeks. So you could actually say this was a chest of drawers that was being transformed, old Oakwood drawers. We could have just filmed that, and in a few weeks' time, we can go back to that video we've just done. So let's say it was that video. There we are. So it shows you date where you filmed it, which was today was the day I did it. So press it again. If I want to carry on doing this video, I actually press the back arrow there at the top left. This is the car. And it says continue recording. This is the bus. And that's what we do. So I'm now going to press that button back for filming. Here we go. I'm now going to do the third clip of my video. This is the van. So I've done my videos. I'm now going to click that button there, the tick. This is the bus. This is the car. This is the van. This is the bus. This is the car. This is the van. Now I've pressed that arrow button down. I'm going to click captions. And what the video will now do is create the captions. And I can press the play button to check it. This is the bus. This is the car. This is the van. Now, if say I wanted those subtitles, I want it to be 2 words on a line. So where it says this is the bus, if I click in the middle, press return, it will make it just a 2-word sentence. Same with that one. Same with that one. Let's see what it's done. The van. This is the bus. This is the car. This is the van. So if we're happy with the subtitles or the captions, we click that cross where it says edit captions on the right hand side. There's a cross, we just click that. Now let's say you've got this bottom bit here. Don't worry too much about that. That's when, if you get more confident with editing, that doesn't matter for what we're doing. Say I wanted to add some music to that. We will click the back button, and at the top, this is the bus. Add sound. This is the car. Say we wanted to add drive the cars. No idea what that is. Let's say we wanted that song. I've pressed to play it. I'm now going to click the tick. This is the bus. This is the car. This is the van. This is the bus. So what we can do, the car. Click bottom right volume. The van. This is the bus. And we can make the music less. This is the car. And the original sound louder. This is the van. Then we click done. This is the bus. This is the car. We're happy, we click next. And we come to the stage where we could put the video live. Let's say we want to change this top right video, photo here, the image, still image, is what people will see to make them want to click on the image. Now say this was the actual chest of drawers before and after when they've been transformed. We could actually upload our own photo there for the thumbnail. So click edit cover. On the right hand side here, there's a grey box with a cross inside. Click upload. And let's say we've created the photo before and after already in our photos. We haven't, obviously. So for now, we will just click the picture of a chair. And then we'll save it. Actually, if you click edit again, we can also put a caption on this. Now, captions are really useful on thumbnails for people to know what the video is of. So for argument's sake, let's click on standard caption at the bottom there. Enter text. Let's say we call it bus and cars. And then where that A is in a square, we just click that once and it will put a border around the letters. Click it twice and it makes it easier to read. So if we're happy with that as a title, we click done. And with my finger, I'm pressing down on that and I can just move it down to where I want it to go. Bear in mind, to the right of this, there'll be details from TikTok. So you ideally don't want your subtitle to be blocked. So click save. And then we've got our thumbnail ready. Let's say we want to describe what this is. Bus and cars, we'll just call it. This is where you might add some hashtags. You could click hashtag and say TikTok tips. And then once we're done with that, we can choose to post the bottom right and post it live. Now, I don't want this to go live. I just want to, because this is a demonstration, instead, where it says everyone can view this post, I'm going to click on there. And instead, I'm going to click the bottom option where it says only you. I'm going to click that. Which means you can play around with doing videos and you can always change this setting afterwards if you're happy. So we click post.
Check this guy out here. Some dancing for me.
That's my window cleaner. So it's put it to my profile. So to see it, I've gone to my profile on the bottom right hand side. Click the padlock, because these are the videos that are not live. And I'll click that. This is the bus. This is the car. This is the van. Pause it. Say I've decided I want to now make this live, public. Click the three dots and click across to privacy settings. Click that. And there where it says only you, I could select everyone instead. And then when I click the cross, then that's it. That means it will go live. And that is then ready for everyone in the world to see.